with the impact of the rising temperature caused by global warming. Suh is committed to developing fan products with high efficiency and high quality to provide ventilation and cooling solutions to various industries. Ceiling fans for indoor office. Fans for industrial space. Fans for poultry and livestock farming. Fans for greenhouse. Our products have been sold worldwide, and they have been recognized as high-quality items by companies in Japan, Europe, and the US. With yearly increasing export quantities, we have obtained a reputation of outstanding quality and have set up new standards for the market. Our professionality came from decades of manufacturing experience in Taiwan. In order to meet customer needs, we also have the ability to provide OEM or ODM services. Suh Dar has successfully obtained a number of domestic and foreign patents and certifications, such as CE of the European Union, UL of the US and Canada. In the future, we will continue to be devoted to the field of high-efficiency motors and high-efficiency fans. We will keep listening carefully to the sounds from the market and provide products with the highest quality and durability to our customers. We care about your needs. Your best partner, Suh Dar.